Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia, this is Maxim. Today we will study the etude number 2 from s.lee, opus 70. We'll work on bow stroke detache and string crossings. And you'll get 3 parts. First, I will play the top part, the part you will have to learn. Then I will record an accompaniment, so once you feel comfortable playing through, you can play it together with me. And then you'll have short but hopefully fun lesson where I will share a few tips how to master this etude. And if you don't have a score, there is no need to search. There is a link in the description to download it with my fingerings. Let's play it. The top part, tempo quarter note 60. Now it's time to play together. You will play the top part and I will play the second. The second part starts one beat after you. So no worries, you will see when to start and I will join you just one beat later. And now let's talk about the ways to learn it. Needless to say, you need to start working on it in slower tempo. I wouldn't think that it would be necessary to play it with metronome right away. It will probably go like this. Make sure that you pay attention how much bow you are using. You shouldn't use more than half of the bow. Actually, the faster you play, the less bow you will be playing. And also, when you will play much softer, like all piano spots in this etude, you will have to limit amount of the bow you are using. Say you are using half of the bow when you play forte, and then quarter of the bow when you play piano. All changes in dynamics are subito. That means there is no preparation. You will have to change dynamics right on the note which is marked. In those cases, we often make mistake by adding crescendo or diminuendo to make it easier for this transition. Try to avoid that. There must be sudden changes in dynamics. And one more thing to work on here is changing the bow angle when you go from high strings to lower, back and forth. Here you have very little time to do that, so you have to be very careful. Every time you make string crossing, especially going over 2 strings, you have to make sure that your angle is changed. From this extreme, playing on an A string, to completely different angle when you play on C string. If you don't pay attention to that, either lower notes or high notes will sound squeaky and you will not enjoy it. The good exercise to work on that would be playing on open strings, just jumping 2 strings up or down. Say we'll play on D string and then on C string. We will use half of the bow the same way you will be using in this etude. And then from A string to G string. You don't need to connect those strings, it's actually impossible. So make sure that you gently stop the bow so we don't hear that much noise when you are changing strings. And then play several times first 4 notes of the third measure and try to apply this skill. I hope it helped. Enjoy working on this etude. Don't forget to download my copy with extra fingerings and come to Cellopedia again. See you soon.